Good morning, investor and corporates. Welcome to Set Digital Roadshow third quarter 20 and 21 performance review. This section will run about 45 minutes, including Q&A. Company will start the section by 30 minutes presentation, followed by 15 minute Q&A. And during Q&A, investor may leave your question in meeting room chat box or use your hand function. We will open your microphone so you can ask the question to the company directly. So may I now invite RS Public Company Limited to start the presentation, please. Thank you very much.
Good morning. Welcome to RS Group session for Set Digital Roadshow. Today we have our CFO, Kun Witthawat Wechhabuskorn with us.
Hi, good morning.
And me, Wacharapong, Head of Investor Relations. Firstly, we will start a bit with our business overview and highlight, and then third quarter performance. And the last session will be on the popcorn, the latest business development from RS Group. The first one, RS at a glance. We are one of the fastest growing commerce business operator with a strong foundation of entertainment business. Currently, the revenue contribution from commerce business was over 60% and continue to grow in the future with our diversified product and service in our portfolio. However, although the entertainment management business contribute around 35 to 40%, but it was a strong foundation to help us reach the target for the commerce business. With a strong shareholding structure, our CEO, Kun Surachai, with his lifetime commitment to lead RS Group to the new S-curve, we also have King Power family to own around 10%, and Bangkok Bank another 5%. That all the key shareholder will help us to bring the synergy together and grow RS over the long term. We have been through few transformation in the past. Since the 70 and 90 era of the music business, we had transformed into the media channel owner, a media company with diversified media such as TV, radio. But after the media era get the oversupply of digital TV channel, we had transformed ourselves into the commerce by using those media channel as a sales platform. And in 2019, we had changed the category for RS in the set category from media to the commerce business. And now over the long run, we continue to grow with the commerce business. With a foundation of the entertainment business, we got over 42 million subscriber base, and we transfer it into around 5 million reach target per day, and we convert it to 1.7 million consumer in our database. This year, we are the fastest growing multi-platform home shopping with around 15% market share in Thailand, and we expect to grow our market share to 20% in this year by diversify the more product and expand more upstream with specialty group to the manufacturing business. The key highlight, the key for the entertainment business is on the database. We had collect the data from all the platform, all the channels such as TV, online, e-commerce, and from radio application, everything into our database. And we use this database to analyze and develop the new product that in high demand for customers. We also use this database to to call out to make it as a lead to call out to generate higher revenue in the for example in the past year. This is how we grow it quite fast in the previous year. For RS, we compared to other peers in commerce industry, we made quite an outstanding financial performance in 2020 as we could deliver such a high margin contributed by a complete ecosystem as we control all the product company marketing tools and sales channel under our own RS group. And we also generate a high return, outperform the industry by crossing utilized asset among the group that lead to higher return for the shareholder. Over the long term, we will be focusing on 4 key strategies. The first one is to build the new product and service along with digital economy on the base of entertainment model. This is to establish a solid digital platform such as the popcorn that we will be presented in the last session. And we also focusing to monetize more revenue from our inventory content to the digital platform on the OTT. The second key strategy is to fully utilize the data on every platform across the RS group. This will help us to grow the business over the long term. The third one is to strengthen our product company to capture mass market opportunity. We had start by building a strong brand to reach the wider target group. For example, this year we had launched Well-You to be a brand for well-being product over the long term, as well as the Kamusi that will be another functional drink brand to capture high demand for the health conscious people. And the last strategy is to maximize value through the synergy and collaboration. As we had highly invested since the beginning of this year, for example, on the shares that is financial service and specialty group that is manufacturing company, we will optimize our group synergy and utilize RS ecosystem and scale this company up. And in the future, they also have an IPO plan in the next year, and capital gain from the IPO opportunity would be another benefit that help our P&L for the next year as well. And here is the 5 key strategy, 5 growth direction for RS over the long term. The first one is to expand the channel. The second one is to expand to the untapped market. On the right bottom is to expand on the manufacturer part, to expand to help increase the efficiency of our cost. We also expand into the new content that is K-pop content, international content that will help us to grow and expand the target group to the younger generation. And the last one on the top red one is on the digital part. This will be help us expand by the fourth Apple into the popcorn business. Let me summary the third quarter financial performance a bit. In the third quarter, the revenue continued to decline from the second quarter as we were hit by the COVID impact. On the commerce side, the new product got full impact by the lockdown, especially on the convenience store. and for the existing product also are declining from the weakening consumer spending in the market. However, we continue to expand on the online platform as we had launched the RS Mall application and collaborate with AS to launch the 5G virtual shopping experience. You could see that the top 4 category of our product was concentrated in the health conscious products such as collagen, bone and joint, and eye nourishing. And we expecting that the revenue for the commerce will be gradually recover as the consumer spending recover following the economy of Thailand. For the commerce, for the fourth quarter and for the next year, we will be expanding following 4 key strategy. The first one is product diversification. The second one is the new product from our partnership shares, that is our personal finance and RS Plan B, that will be focusing on the mass market product. We also expand upstream to increase the efficiency of the cost through the investment on specialty group. And then lastly, that is continue to expand on the digital ecosystem through the popcorn. For the product lineup for the rest of this year, Life made the new product line on the pet care with over 50 SKU that focusing on the premium grade of food for dog and cats. And for the next year, for functional drink, we're going to launch a hemp-related functional drink in the first quarter. There will be 2 or 3 SKU for this category. The last for the entertainment performance also declining in the third quarter due to declining ad spending in the market. For the long term, we still expect the entertainment revenue to grow following the revenue to monetize from the digital content over the OTT platform, and we still expand to online marketing channel through the Fourth Apple, and expand to new business through the tokenization and digital NFT with Popcoin. Lastly, for our financial performance remains solid. Although we had expanded heavily this year with shares and specialty group, currently the E ratio is still 1.8 times. Even though after raising fund from debt to pay for the specialty group, the E ratio remained at decent rate of around 2.1 times. The shareholder return dropped a bit in this quarter as a temporary effect of the COVID impact. For the next part on the Popcorn will be presented by Khun Withavat.
Okay, so this is I think today we would like to explain a little bit about the latest digital business model that we just recently announced. So it called Popcorn. But I guess the rationale behind this is that we see that in the past RS is focused more on traditional media channels. We're growing our commerce business, but it is undeniable that the fast growing online media sector will be a significant media space in the future. Everybody is talking about online marketing, online commerce. So I think we see that that's a growing trend, which we want to capture opportunities. So the new Popcoin platform, or what we call a smart marketing platform, will help us to capture these growing online media opportunities, as well as help us to penetrate and capture our reach into our younger generations. Today's our audience and our customer is mostly people in baby boomers or Gen X or Gen Y, right? But having this new platform together with the enhanced online content that we are planning to do under Ford Apple, which is the latest subsidiary of us, we'll tap more into the younger generation, which is what we believe will be a very important target customer audience in the future. So yeah, I guess this slide will show you that I think the new jigsaw of our entertainment model as a whole is that we want to enhance the digital products and services to capture opportunities with younger generations, and we can achieve that by introducing a platform, a strong digital platform, online platform, and also the new types of contents and products that will fit into this group of people. So yeah, so I think by having these jigsaws into the picture, I think we'll be achieve our target to just fully transform our business for the digital economy. I think the overall target for us is as we operate within our under our entertainment model, and in the future, I think once we introduce this new platform within our group, so we will get the benefit of using more data from our audience and our customers and our user. So you're gonna see the more seamless experience from our products and our services. So we're gonna be able to use the big data to address demand, or address the pain point for our customer more effectively. So I guess we'll see that it's we want to expand into the multi-dimension channels, product, and assets by deploying all these data. So that's the key direction that we want to grow in the future. So before we get into the detail of Popcoin, I just want to talk a little bit about Ford Apple, because Popcoin will be launched and operate under Ford Apple, which is one of our subsidiary. So Ford Apple is our latest investment that we made early on this year. So we invest about 70% stake in Ford Apple, and Ford Apple is small but capable company. They're very good and at they have a strong services covering being a leading online marketing agencies. So they do online media, online marketing, as well as influencer marketing. We are launching this influencer marketing platform that we have about 500 influencers in our network. And the second area that Ford Apple is doing is to be the content promoter. So in the past, they were very successful in promoting the international content, for example, like K-pop content, and that can create a lot of attention in various channels, online TV channels. So we can capitalize on that, and it's fit perfectly with our Popcoin platform to create a demand and to create the added value for our services. So what is exactly is Popcoin? Popcoin, by default, people would understand it's probably a digital token, right? But for us, is we look at Popcoin as a total smart like marketing platform. So it works, with using digital token together with the application itself. So as a whole, I think we see it as a platform more than just a digital token, right? But but the Popcoin itself, it will be a platform that we use to create activities and a lot of online marketing benefits for our customer and for the brand that we do business with, and we use the token as a mean of transactions. So what does it do? Basically, the Popcoin will address three group the pain point and provide the benefit of three users. So for the customer itself, I think by having a digital token as a means to do the online marketing, people will not feel that they will push into the advertising, but instead, because they want to get the coin, the digital coin, because there's a benefit relating to that. For example, they can use the coin to exchange or redeem for services or for the products that they want to. So they will be willing to join or participate in marketing campaign or advertising just to get the coin, right? So it sort of changed from push strategy into the pull strategy, and then that's benefit and creating a more friendly advertising experience for the consumers. For the brand itself, by using Popcoin as a mean to do the online marketing campaign, it provide a lot of benefits to the brand and to corporates that want to use Popcoin, because firstly, it is cheaper in terms of budget, and Popcoin is using blockchain technology, creating digital token, so we can the brand itself can actually monitor and keep track on the return on investment that they spend on the advertising. They know exactly how many people actually already view their content or advertising, because that can be tracked, that's traceable. So it's more economical for the brand and more effective for the brand, right? And for content creator, we're talking about online content creator, influencers, for example. The Popcoin can help them to create more attention and reach and grow audience for those users. So for us, I think Popcoin is basically the platform that can create the collaborations and the integrations of our business unit. We're not talking about just media and entertainment. I think on the commerce side, Popcoin can be a platform that can help us to create added value for the commerce business as well. So there's a lot of area that we can use Popcoin to create more value to the group, right? So I think Popcoin, again, is not just a token, but it's actually a platform and a community, right? Because so this slide show example of what you can find out in the application that will be launched in the next in the first quarter. So Popcoin we use together with the application. So in the application, you see that there's a Popcoin lobby. People will come and register and check their wallet status. There's a Popcoin activity field that people can actually put the marketing activities for Popcoins and just to get to ask people to join in exchange for the reward. So yeah, basically we were doing the join to earn kind of model, right? So that's what Popcoin is. And also there will be a marketplace that people can basically exchange, redeem their Popcoins for goods and services they want to, including NFT, I think. And also there'll be a feature of staking pool feature for a popster who we refer to popster to those who hold Popcoin and be part of the Popcoin community. So there'll be a staking pool feature as well, so they can just stake out the Popcoins and earn some a sharing or benefit. And then yeah, there's a part of the news and update for all the Popcoins community. Yeah, again, this just looked a bit complicated, but I think the key message from this slide is that Popcoin can help business to promote their content or their advertising or their campaign more effectively, and then people can view the content and get the Popcoin in return. So so they can use Popcoin to exchange for product and services. So there's that just summarize that Popcoin can be effective marketing funnel tools, right? To create awareness, create conversion and loyalty and advocacy. So where can we get Popcoin? A lot of people is asking whether they can just subscribe or they can buy Popcoin through the ICO, the initial coin offering. So it's not that because Popcoin will not be sold as part of the fundraising activities. So the only way you can earn Popcoin is to participate in the marketing activities from our business partners, from the brand that buy our Popcoins and use Popcoin as part of their marketing campaign. So all of these are marketing activities that you can participate and you can earn Popcoins, right? So you can view the video campaign and get Popcoin into your wallet. You can do a marketing surveys by many companies and get Popcoins. And also if you apply for membership and register, you get a free Popcoin as well. Right now we already launched that, and some other things as well. So just to mention that Popcoin is not for sale, but you can earn that by be part of participating in marketing activities. And just a key mention is that once we launch Popcoin in Q1 and possibly on January, Popcoin will be traded in the exchange as well. So we trade it in what we call BitCup exchange in Thailand. So that will be another way for you to buy Popcoin in the secondary market. So I think so Popcoin RS will definitely benefit from Popcoin platform because we can transform our intellectual property asset into the digital asset, and there we have a lot of marketing activities or content that can create the demand for popcoins. Imagine that we arrange the concert, a K-pop or international concert and things like that, and some of the service and products or merchandise can only be buy or can only be bought by using popcoin and things like that. So in a way, within our ecosystem and also expanding into more than our ecosystem, we can create the demand for popcoins, and that's why popcoin will be the value of popcoin should be higher and higher. So on the commerce side, I think we can look at popcoin as part of the marketing solutions, marketing campaign for a commerce, and also add value to the commerce package and activities in the future. So popcoin product and service redemption. This is just the information, just an example of what popcoin can be used. Popcoin can be used as part of the for the K-pop partnership. So popsters or those who have popcoins can use popcoin to participate in the K-pop activities, K-pop related activities. For example, like food truck is one of the shows that we have this Korean idols come into and do the TV program. So that can use popcoin to join the private meetings, fan meetings, and things like that. So and also I already mentioned about the digital assets, both the music, the entertainment asset, and also the NFT asset that we can launch in the future, and also the merchandise and physical assets can be redeemed by using popcoin as well. Just a little bit of capture on the popcoin. So popcoin can be earned through a primary market. So basically, the brand can buy the popcoin from Ford Apple and use that as a marketing tools, and then Ford Apple can also do some airdrop. I'll just give it away for free for those who have some influencers to create a more awareness and more adoptions of the coin. And also the business can do some barter of the popcoin as well. And again, popcoin will be traded in BitCup exchange in Q1. So and also there will be a staking pool features and rewarding pool feature as well. In terms of distribution scheme or coin allocations, the total coin is about 10 billion coins over 4 years. So the first year we have a quota of 2.5 billion coins to be allocated. So 65% will be allocated through primary sales, 15%, less than 15%, up to 15% will be for marketing purposes, and up to 15% will be allocated for a business partner, and 5% for founding team. And with all that, I think for RS, we are looking to that popcoin or this smart marketing platform will create, a value for us in 3 areas. The first one, it will, create, the additional value for our product and services, both entertainment side and commerce side. And also, it can also help in terms of creating the online media revenue for us as part of the new marketing tools. Also, we'll get additional income, trading fees from the secondary markets, and there's a potential gain from for potential capital gain from Popcoin investment. In terms of timeline, right now we just launched Popcoin on November 15th. So right now we are open for everybody to do the pre-registrations for the coin. So you can go to the link and register and get the free Popcoin 100%. 100 coin free, and then in December will be the period that we discuss and seeking the brand sponsors and business partnership for Popcoin adoptions, and then we will launch Popcoin officially in Q1 together with the listing of Popcoin in BitClub exchange. So that's the short-term milestone that we're looking at for Popcoin platform. Yeah, so I guess that's wrap up our presentation for today.